Today is Wednesday, September 2nd. This is the 1976 Cadillac Original General Time Movement Roll Barrel Digital Clock for the 1976 Cadillac DeVille. This is the 160-9653 Roll Barrel Clock Digital, and I'm going to do a functional validation test after having fully restored the original movement. And I'll go ahead and apply power to the unit. There we go. And we can see the second hand functioning in real time, validating the performance of the clock and the repair of the clock. Okay, and this will be going out to my friend Adam in Tennessee, along with the restored 9346 786 1976 control module that has been fully restored. So I have a air conditioning power control module and the original General Time roll barrel clock, both going to my friend Adam in Tennessee. This is George in Florida. I have over 250,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items in my inventory. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, instrument clusters, and other critical, hard to find original vintage items for 1959 to 1976 Cadillac. Thank you very kindly. Today is Wednesday, September 2nd.